What's up guys, this week I'm back with a new Asian meal prep recipe which I dearly call Triple S Sesame Soba Seabass. Check it out. Oh, the smell of it, it's so enticing, super delicious. But guess what is the best thing about this Triple S dish? You only need 7 ingredients. That's right guys. I know sometimes I make really difficult recipes where there's a lot of ingredients that you need, but for this one I think you'll be pleased to know that you only need 7 ingredients. This is what you need. You need some soba noodles. You do need some olive oil, sesame seeds, liquid aminos, or I actually have substitute liquid aminos with soy sauce, so you can also use soy sauce. Also need some white vinegar, spinach, so baby spinach right here, and of course Seabass fillings. And if you have all of that, all you need is probably 10 minutes of your time to put this dish together. It is so easy. I made this dish as a lunch for me, so I've only made one, but definitely you can definitely make this for meal prep. You can make this in bulk, you can make for 2 or even like 3 dishes. Alright, whatever you choose. This is so simple. 7 ingredients, Triple S. If you're ready, let's get started. Tuning in this week's Asian meal prep recipe video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like this recipe, do check out my other recipes and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll appreciate it. I shall see you guys again next week with a brand new cheap, fast, and nutritiously Asian meal prep recipe video. Goodbye.